Hello friends, in the previous lecture we discussed about the line integral and its example. Now today we start one more example. Evaluate integration 0 to 4 plus 2i z bar dz along the curve z equal to t square plus it. Solution. First write down the f of z and dz. So here f of z equal to z bar. Here f of z equal to z bar and curve is along z equal to t square plus it. So z bar convert t square plus it form. So we get f of z equal to t square minus it because here z is a complex conjugate. But यहाँ पे z equal to t square plus it. So z bar equal to t square minus it. Also z equal to t square plus it. So derivative with respect to z and derivative with respect to t. So z as a dz. So equal to t square equal to 2t into dt plus I dt. So dz equal to 2t plus I dt as a common. So here the lower limit of z equal to 0 and upper limit of z equal to 4 plus 2i. So we find out the upper limit and lower limit of t. When z equal to 0 as a lower limit of z, so z equal to t square plus it. So here write down t square plus it equal to 0. Comparing the both sides, so we get t equal to 0. When z equal to 0, so we get t equal to 0. And z equal to 4 plus 2i as a upper limit, but z equal to t square plus it. So write down t square plus it equal to 4 plus 2i. Comparing the both sides, so we get t equal to 2. So upper limit of t equal to 2. So t is a vary from 0 to 2. Lower limit of t equal to 0 and upper limit of t equal to 2. So here z is a convert in t. So write down integration over 0 to 4 plus 2i z bar dz equal to integration 0 to 2 t square minus it 2t plus I dt. Because z bar, but z bar equal to t square minus it and dz equal to 2t plus I into dt. Simplify the bracket, so we get integration over 0 to 2 2t cube plus it square minus 2it square minus I square t dt. So here two terms t square and t square. One is plus and second is minus. So it square minus 2it square, it means minus it square. So here integration 0 to 2 2t cube as it is, plus minus minus. So here minus it square plus t, because I square equal to minus 1, so minus minus plus. Now integrate with respect to t, so we get 2 t raised to 4 divided by 4 minus I t cube by 3 plus t square by 2. Upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 0. Now first substitute t equal to 2 upper limit and minus lower limit t equal to 0. So put t equal to 0. So we get 2 into 16 divided by 4 minus I into 8 by 3 plus 4 by 2 minus lower limit t is equal to 0. So 0 minus 0 minus 0. So here simplify the term. So we get 8 minus I 8 divided by 3 plus 2. 8 plus 2 means 10. So 10 minus I 8 by 3. So this is the solution of the integral 0 to 4 plus 2i z bar dz along the curve z equal to t square plus it. So now independence of the path. If f of z is analytic in simply connected region, then the line integral is independent of the path. अगर f of z is analytic है in the given region. So line integral is independent of the path बोल सकते हैं हम. Our new theorem, Cauchy integral theorem. So it is most IMP theorem in this chapter. If f of z is an analytic function and f dash z is a continuous at each point inside and closed curve C, then इंटीग्रेशन ओवर सी एफ ऑफ जेड डी जेड इक्वल टू 0. सो हियर एफ ऑफ जेड जो फंक्शन है वो एनालिटिक फंक्शन होना चाहिए और उसका जो डेरिवेटिव है एफ डे जेड इज अ कंटिन्यूअस एट इच पॉइंट इनसाइड एंड क्लोज कर्व. जो भी कर्व यहाँ पे आपको गिवन होगा उस कर्व के इनसाइड एंड उस कर्व के अपर की साइड वो क्या होना चाहिए, कंटिन्यूअस. सो डायरेक्टली वी राइट integration over c f of z dz equal to 0. Using this theorem and solve the integration. So first example number 1, evaluate integration over c e raised to z dz where c is a mod z equal to 1. So यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन करना है हमें e raised to z का एंड जो कर्व जो है वो क्या है, mod z इक्वल टू 1. वी नो दैट mod z इक्वल टू 1 रिप्रेजेंट द सर्कल एट ओरिजिन एंड रेडियस इज 1. सो वी राइट हियर दिस सर्कल एंड दिस इज नोन एज mod z इक्वल टू 1. सो हियर f of z कंपेयर विद द इक्वेशन इंटीग्रेशन ओवर c f of z dz over c. So compare f of z here and here e raised to z. So we get f of z equal to e raised to z. E raised to z is an exponential function and exponential function is a differentiable everywhere, continuous everywhere. So since f of z is a differentiable because f dash z equal to e raised to z लिख सकते हो आप and it is analytic inside and on c. अगर function f of z differentiable है तो always analytic हो गए on the c. And f dash z means e raised to z also exponential function and it is a continuous inside and c. So by Cauchy integral theorem integration over c f of z dz equal to 0. So write down integration over c e raised to z dz equal to 0. Now second example, evaluate integration over c e to power z square dz where c is any closed contour. Justify your answer. c is any closed contour means any closed curve ले सकते हो आप. But we know that f of z equal to e raised to z whole square. So e raised to z whole square means exponential function and exponential function is a differentiable everywhere, continuous everywhere. ठीक है. सो एफ डैश जेड मीन्स डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू जेड. सो ई रेस टू जेड स्क्वेयर इंटू 2z इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ जेड. सो हियर एफ ऑफ जेड इज अ डिफरेंशिएबल. अगर डिफरेंशिएबल है तो एनालिटिक होगा ही. सो सिंस एफ ऑफ जेड इज अ डिफरेंशिएबल फॉर ऑल फाइनाइट वैल्यू ऑफ जेड एंड इट इज एनालिटिक इन द जेड प्लेन. आप किसी भी जेड प्लेन में ले लो, एनालिटिक है. And f dash z is a continuous in the z plane, f dash z भी continuous है. So by Cauchy integral theorem integration over c f of z dz equal to 0. Therefore integration over c e raised to z square dz equal to 0. Now example number 8, evaluate integration over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 divided by z plus 1 dz where c is a mod z equal to 1 by 2. सो यहाँ पे जो फंक्शन f of z वो 3z square plus 7z plus 1 upon z plus 1 and c is a mod z equal to 1 by 2 is a circle with the center origin and radius is 1 by 2. So here f of z equal to 3z square plus 7z plus 1 upon z plus 1. If we put z equal to 1 in the denominator part, so we get 0 it means f of z is not defined. It means f of z is not continuous and f of z is not differentiable at z equal to -1, and we can say that f of z is not analytic at a point z equal to -1. So first check out z equal to -1 is lies in mod z equal to 1 by 2 or not. So here C is a circle mod z equal to 1 with the center at 0 means origin, and the radius is 1 by 2. So here the figure modulus z equal to 1 by 2. So this point z equal to -1 is the outside point of the circle. So by the theorem, so here write down z equal to -1 lies outside of the C, but by the using the theorem Cauchy integral theorem, f of z is analytic inside and C होना चाहिए and f dash z is continuous inside and C. So here z equal to -1 is outside, so we not consider the point. So here this part in the inside of the circle C function is a continuous and analytic everywhere except z equal to -1. So by Cauchy integral theorem, integration over C 3z square plus 7z plus 1 upon z plus 1 dz equal to 0. आई होप ये एग्जाम्पल आपको समझ में आया होगा. सो आज का लेक्चर हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर रहे हैं. धन्यवाद.